Welcome to What We Like. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Sometimes while working in Premiere Pro, you may have noticed that your clips are perfectly aligning and all of a sudden they stop aligning and start to overwrite each other. The reason behind that is there is a feature known as Snap in Premiere Pro with a magnet symbol over here and its shortcut key is S. Right now it's disabled. When I click it, it will become blue and it's now enabled. Okay, now if I drag and drop these clips, you can see that they are perfectly snapping and aligning again. This feature is enabled and disabled through this magnet button or by simply pressing S key on your keyboard. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you.